Welcome to our guide on how to start a call on WhatsApp, the updated version. Let's dive into the steps to make your calling experience seamless. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the familiar green icon and tap to launch the app. Step 2. Once inside, navigate to the Chats tab. Here, you'll find all your conversations neatly organized. Locate and open the chat with the contact you wish to call. Step 3. Now, it's time to initiate the call. At the top right corner of the chat window, you'll see two icons, a phone for voice calls and a video camera for video calls. Simply tap on the phone icon for a voice call, or the video icon for a video call, depending on your preference. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly start a call with your contacts on WhatsApp. Whether it's catching up with friends or connecting with family members, WhatsApp makes it easy to stay in touch through voice and video calls. Remember, a stable internet connection is key to enjoying high-quality calls on WhatsApp. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal before placing your call. That's all for now. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with making calls on WhatsApp. Stay connected and keep those conversations going with just a tap of a button. Happy calling!